whose name is the Lord.
God, in your goodness, you have made a home for the poor.
The Father of orphans and the defender of widows is God. In his holy dwelling, God gives a home to the forsaken. He leads forth prisoners to prosperity.
God, in your goodness, you have made a home for the poor.
A bountiful rain you shower down, O God, upon your inheritance. You restore the land when it's languished. You flood, settle in it. In your goodness, O God, you provided it for the needy.